Hi there. This video will show you how to use the best desktop and mobile background remover tool, which is the Apowersoft background eraser. For the desktop version, open the app. Click the Remove Product Background to open the photo you want to edit and start removing its background. You will see that the tool will erase the background automatically. Aside from removing backgrounds, this tool can also change the background in different colors or templates such as nature, summer break, global tour, and more. Then, click the Save button to keep the video to your computer. Open the app for the mobile phone version, tap the Remove Background Person, and choose the picture you want to edit. Same as the desktop version, it will instantly remove the background quickly. After that, you may also change the background with colors and templates, the same as the desktop version. And that's how to use Apowersoft background eraser. Thank you for watching.